Over the course of 5 weeks, members of the Upper Midwest Conservation Association are in the process of cleaning and restoring a masterwork from the collection of the Minneapolis Institute of Arts. This painting, Giovanni Benedetto Castiglione's The Immaculate Conception with Saints Francis of Assisi and Anthony of Padua, is over 300 years old and is one of the largest in the Institute's collection.
One of the important initiating factors for this treatment was the size of the picture. The painting is over 12 feet by 7 feet, and the idea of a public exhibition really came out of a combination of several things. The need for more space, and then really to highlight and to feature the wonderful conservation and preservation program to which this museum is very strongly committed.
Joan Gorman and David Marquis are senior paintings conservators on the staff of the Upper Midwest Conservation Association, a nonprofit regional center for the preservation and conservation of art and artifacts, located at the Minneapolis Institute of Arts. This video provides a look at some of the tasks and procedures which have occurred thus far. Initial examination.
The need for the examination was really instigated by a very visible deformity in the canvas that was noticed in the galleries. Not only was the canvas sagging, but there was some delamination obvious in the upper regions of the painting. And in order to really understand what was happening to the support, the entire structure of the painting needed to be examined.
Conservation always begins with a thorough examination by a painting's conservator, followed by written reports that document the painting's present condition and make proposals for treatment.
We look at, really, it's what has happened to it. We look for tears, we look for abrasion and damage, which might indicate accidents or other problems inherent to the picture over the years.
Removal from the gallery.
Because of the size of the painting, the Works of Art crew had to rent a special scissors lift, and they had to use a hydraulic forklift to support the painting as they slowly lowered it down to the floor. Now, the painting probably weighs about maybe 250 or 300 pounds, so it's fairly heavy to remove from the wall.